Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are quite safe and healthy at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to start module 1 of chapter number 4 of civics, that is key elements of a democracy. Before to start, so let's have a quick recapitulation of democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which people are supreme. People don't rule directly, their representative make decisions on their behalf. There are number of key elements that influence the functioning of a democracy. Students, now let's discuss about participation. Participation in a democracy means people participation in the decision making process. There are various ways by which people participate in the decision making process of a government. Let's further move with participation through elections. People make decisions in a democracy, but they do not participate directly. Instead, they choose their representative through an election process. That is, through voting in elections, people elect leaders to represent them. People participate in the decision-making process in a democracy. A democratic government is elected for a fixed period. In India, this period is of 5 years. If the people are not satisfied with the working of a government, they may not vote for it and make it lose. Thus, the regular elections restrict the power of government and increase people participation in a democracy. Dear students, there are many other ways of participation. Apart from voting, there are other ways to participate in the process of governance. People can participate by taking an interest in the functioning of the government and by criticizing it. People can express their views in many ways and make government understand what actions they should take. These ways may be dharnas, rally, protest, marches, signature campaigns, strikes, etc. People also make use of media to voice their grievances. In this way, they are also helpful in creating public opinion. Opinion is also found by reading the viewpoints of distinguished people who write columns in the newspaper or magazines. So, by public opinion, people can strongly express their desires and their grievances. The government changed its decision because it is responsible to the people. The government also tried to defend its decision at first but finally reduced it to a nominal increase. But all sections of the people are actually not able to participate in the decision making process of the government. This is because most of them are illiterate, ignorant and unorganized. If the people of a country are alert and interested in the functioning of the government, the democracy in that country will be stronger. It is rightly said, democracy is based upon the conviction that there are extraordinary possibilities in ordinary people. Alert and vigilant citizens can improve the quality of a democracy. That's all for this module. Thank you and have a nice day.